I only have 2 more songs left for you tonight. But I just want to let you know that we can hear you from the green room. So if you guys want to make some noise for Colde right now, let's hear it Toronto. He for sure heard that. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you with 2 songs, In the Blur of the Rain and After Image. Thank you. Would you find me in another life? Take me as I